To get the best results, sand the surface and use RustGuard solvent. The perfect way to clean and prepare the surface. If rust is present, use RustGuard's Rust Converter. It kills the rust and prevents it from spreading under your paintwork. The next step is to prime the surface with a RustGuard primer. The best groundwork for a perfect finish. Once you've chosen the look you're after, it's time to paint with a RustGuard top coat. Then step back and admire your work. So, what's next? RustGuard. Once you get started, there's no stopping.